Our next award is for the best UC peripheral vendor. The last 2 years hasn't just been about the platforms, it's also been about the peripherals that make our working lives easier and more efficient.
And this year's finalists are Biamp, Logitech, Owl Labs, and Poly.
And now back over to Janet to reveal the winner.
The winner of the UC Partner Award for Best UC Peripheral Vendor 2022 is Logitech.
Amazing! Logitech has done some great work around enhancing meeting engagement and participation, as well as continuing to develop great, sleek products.
Fantastic work. Congratulations to Logitech.